Algorand value equivalent to $0.1538 a coin. The present reach. $0.1468, $0.1549. The earlier day close. $0.1480. The change was plus 0.0058, plus 3.92%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.13. Most extreme cost 19 cents, least cost 13 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 16 cents, change for December 23.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.16. Most extreme cost 20 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 17 cents, change for January 6.3%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for February 17.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 21 cents, change for spring 5.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.21. Greatest cost 25 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for April 9.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 23 cents, least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for May 13.0%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 20 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 18 cents, change for June 10.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 15 cents, change for July 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.15. Most extreme cost 15 cents, least cost 12 cents. The normal for the month 14 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13 cents, change for August 13.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.13. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 12 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 11 cents, change for September 15.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.11. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for October 9.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for November 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for December 20.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $0.05. Greatest cost 5 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents, change for February 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.05. Greatest cost 6 cents, least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents, change for spring 20.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents, change for April 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 8 cents, change for May 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents, change for June 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents, change for July 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2026. Initially cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for August 12.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for September 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents, change for October 14.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2026. Before all else cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 9 cents, change for November 12.5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2026. In the first place cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's